Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two best AI email inbox, which is Sanebox and Hail Gmail. Just quickly dive into it. So talking about the Sanebox and Haymail both promise a cleaner inbox, but they take different approach. Sandbox works as an add-on plugin into Gmail, Outlook, or most any provider AI to filter distraction into smart folder while letting you keep your familiar email setup. Here, on the other hand, is a full email service with bold features like the screener for new sender, but in receipt and newsletter filter, and also automatic tracker blocking, but it requires you to adapt its entire platform. So if you want flexibility and a minimal distraction, Sandbox wins since you don't have to change your email habit. However, it's subscription based and less feature rich than a Hail's email and all-in-one system. So Hail email is powerful but comes with a deeper price, and the commitment of leaving your current inbox behind is very minimal. So in short, Sandbox is better for those who want subtitle inbox help, while Hail email is ideal if you are ready to fully reinvent how you handle email. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.